Cool. Hey guys, we're Orion Aerospace. Thank you for joining us. My name's Jonah. I do a lot of work with the avionics and a little bit of system integration, making sure everything fits together, everything flies.
My name's Luke. I do a lot of work with the rocket hardware, including the thrust vectoring mount, which we've got some very exciting things coming up with that one.
And I'm Hugh. I'm kind of the new guy, but I do a lot of the manufacturing, like 3D printing, CNC milling, PCB manufacturing, and I also have some work with like designing the chute ejection system and a little bit of the TVC mount as well.
And in the past 2 videos, you'll be able to see some of the old hardware that was tested, and it worked well as a proof of concept, but we've now sort of upgraded a lot of what we're doing.
Yeah, so our old mount, as you can see, is primarily Legos and a couple peanut butter caps. Not the greatest design.
Very aerospace grade.
But lately we've been experimenting with 3D printing and some solid work. We spent a lot of time designing and perfecting. What we ultimately came out with was this new thrust vectoring mount, which you'll see in the next couple of videos. But it is much better than the old version and should perform so as well.
Yeah, so we obviously we 3D printed this stuff. Kind of had to get a little bit experimental with some of the stuff we were doing because this was our first iteration of this new design, pretty much, except for those little pieces over there, and it turned out really awesome.
If you look at the old flight computer, it's on a proto board, really bad soldering job, and it's just all through hole. A lot of the connections are pretty shaky, and as we found, unreliable. So we then moved to this new milled PCB, and we're also going to be running a new microprocessor on that PCB, giving us approximately 100 times more processing power than we were using before. So hopefully should be able to run our computations a lot better. And also a lot in the software has changed to make everything smoother, faster, and yeah.
That's what our plan is. We're hoping to get a launch test coming in the next, at most a month is what our plan is. Summer, we're students, so we got a nice break. So
yeah,
most of the month is what we're hoping to get our
It's going to be an aggressive flight schedule.
Yeah. So
there's going to be a lot of flights.
So we got to get the ejection system, chute ejection system figured out, and then we're gonna do the thrust, the static fire test, and then we're just gonna get going with the launch test. So.
Yeah.
We're going to try and record a lot of stuff that we do, post it up on YouTube, like our designing, our setup, and that kind of stuff. So we'll try and get a lot of cool content out to you guys. I'm kind of, jack of all trades.
Jack of all trades. Cool. All right, we'll cut there for a little bit.
That's pretty good.
And cut.